In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change domain name to Squarespace, full 2024 guide. We're going to walk through moving an existing domain so it's managed right inside Squarespace. Start by logging in and opening the website you want to use. From your site's dashboard, head to the Domains section. This is where you can see any domains already connected and where you'll begin the transfer process, so billing and settings are all in one place. Next, choose Transfer a Domain. On the transfer page, type your current domain name exactly as it appears, including the extension. Don't add HTTP or slashes, just the domain, like example.com. When you see it appear, select the matching result so Squarespace can check if it's eligible to move. Before you go further, a quick heads up to save time. Most registrars require that your domain be at least 60 days old and unlocked, and that you have access to your authorization code, sometimes called the EPP code. If privacy protection is enabled at your current registrar, you may need to turn it off temporarily so you can receive transfer emails. Also, make sure the registrant or admin contact email on the domain is current, because approvals can be sent there. Back on the Squarespace transfer page, choose the option to transfer the domain to Squarespace. When prompted, click into the Authorization code field and paste your code. If you don't have it yet, sign in to your current registrar in a separate tab to request or copy it. Some registrars email it to you, others show it right in the dashboard. Return to Squarespace, enter the code, and confirm. If you're asked again to open or confirm the authorization code, click to recheck or re-enter it to make sure there are no typos. You'll see a summary of settings. Squarespace typically imports your existing DNS records to help prevent downtime during the move. Give these a quick review so your email and any subdomains keep working as expected. When everything looks right, click Save and continue to finalize. You'll pay for 1 additional year of registration, which is added to your current time. You won't lose any remaining months with your old registrar. That's it for the setup. Transfers usually take anywhere from a few hours to up to 5 days, depending on your current registrar. You might receive an approval email. Approve it promptly to speed things up. You can monitor the status anytime in the domains area of your Squarespace dashboard. Once the transfer shows as complete, your domain is managed fully in Squarespace and will route to your site without you